You are watching CIO TV by Enterprise IT World, a production of Accent Infomedia.
Good morning, and today welcome to our Gitex special edition of CIO TV Live. Today we have with us Mr. Annamalai from Netgear, and let's ask his experiences at Gitex. Welcome to CIO TV.live, Mr. Annamalai.
Thank you. Thank you.
So tell us, what your experience has been at Gitex, and what are the customer feedbacks that you're carrying back with you.
Okay. So, as Gitex, we are very much pleased to see this kind of huge crowd. This is first of its kind we are looking at after I think about 2 to 3 years now. And what we see is a lot of new walk-ins who have come in. They're more interested to learn about our products. So we are looking at more to engage with them and see how we can grow our business.
So how do you find the traffic, the volume of people, and the quality of people that you're meeting here?
So that's what the quality of people is the best. The best, they just don't walk in for just asking some questions. They're specific to the point. What they want, they know. And this is a very matured cloud, and so it's good. It's good to be here.
And how long have you been coming to Gitex?
This is the first time I'm coming to Gitex. First time I'm coming to Gitex. Yes. So I'm managing this market for the last 2 years only.
I see. So tell us about Netgear and how you are helping customers in the digital transformation space.
Yeah, so Netgear is actually a 25-year-old company, 25 and over 25 years now. So we've been in the market for switching wireless, which wireless includes access points. So on the switching, we have 100 gig switches, 25 gig switches, 40 gig, 10 gig, all the options are available. So in that we have two varieties. One is an IT series, the other one is an AV series. On the access point, we have cloud managed access points, which you can be used for managing, controlling your Wi-Fi from anywhere across the globe. You just have to make sure the devices are put across and centrally controlled. And we, as Netgear, make the life simpler for the users. So all our products comes with a graphical user interface. You don't need to learn too much of CLIs. So you just plug and play. That's how it works.
Right. So we've heard about Netgear. We have been hearing about Netgear for a long time, and we've all of us used it in our home networking environment. Tell us a little bit more about your enterprise play.
So enterprise, home product is a different set of segments where we have Orbis and the mesh routers. On the enterprise segment, we have devices for any kind of data centers, any kind of offices. So you need a PoE switch, or you need a 100 gig switch, or you need a 25 gig switch to connect your entire environment. So we give you the solution starting from whatever number of ports you want, and all of them are having options like multicast, you have IGMP plus, and you have protocols which is for routing. All the protocols what is required for a normal office is built in. So you don't need to do too much of shopping around. We have one-stop shop. Everything is available with Netgear. We request the customers to contact us, and we can give you the solution based on their requirement.
So there's been a lot of traction in the public cloud space, and in the rise of data centers. Like, would you like to speak a little bit about it, and how Netgear is catering to that segment?
Our devices are actually built in with cloud. Means it's not you're not going to store anything in our device. So it's the device is accessible through cloud. So you don't need an extra VPN something to access.
So my question was, what kind of traction are you seeing from the data center segment?
Data center segments? Yeah, so the data center segments is more of, if you look at accessing from outside. Accessing from outside, you need something connectivity. Okay, so now there are two options of connectivity. Either you use the normal traditional VPN or something built into the box. So we have cloud built in, which is called as Insight. Inside cloud is built in. All you have to do is just log into a portal and just type your username, password, check all the Netgear devices in one single place, whichever is cloud managed. So you can sit anywhere. You don't need to be at the data center for doing all these things.
So this is only for the enterprises. I thought you also data center to facilitate access and
No, no, we don't have the VPN stuff. So we have just recently launched a router, which is having a basic VPN built in, but it's not the enterprise series. But that gives you a more of a router for your access points and enabling it for smaller offices.
I see.
That's all.
So what is your go-to-market strategy? Are you doing it directly, and what is, your partner
We
base?
have distributors, we have system integrators. That's how we don't do directly. So we take help of distributors. We have distributors across the region. They sell to the system integrators, and system integrators sell to the end customers. That's all.
So tell us a little bit more about your presence in the Middle East region.
Yeah, so we have been there around for quite some years, but we have a revamp of the segment the last 3-4 years only. So now we are very much focused on this segment, and we'll make sure this market is grown to the next level.
So with how many countries do you have the presence in the Middle East?
Middle East, I think we are now in about 7 places, 7 locations.
So you have an office in Dubai?
No, we don't have it yet.
Yeah,
We don't
okay.
have it yet.
So you are managing it from India. I see.
We travel a lot from India.
Right. Yeah. So tell us about a little bit about your operations in India. What kind of presence you have, and how what kind of adoption you see there.
Yeah, in India we have office across the region, across all the locations. So we are based out of Delhi and Delhi, Bombay, and Bangalore.
I see.
So major people sit at Bangalore, and we have pre-sales team across the region. So any kind of solution you want, we'll make sure that that is created and given to the system integrators, and system integrators take it forward from there to their end users.
What kind of segments you see, industry segments that are using Netgear more prolifically?
So everybody has to use our product. It's like everybody needs our product, to be precise. Everybody needs our product, and this is easy to access. And if you look at education, hospitality, and offices, smart offices, so all these people will need our device. So
All kinds of
Yeah.
across segments.
yes, it's a networking switch. It's a basic requirement for any kind of offices nowadays. Yes.
So, is it only a sales office in India, or are you doing more than that?
Just a sales office. So it is managed through a distributor directly. So we don't sell ourselves.
Who's a distributor?
A distributor we have in India, we have Kyra.
I see.
Yes.
And here in the Middle East region?
Here we have Ingram, Annixter,
I see.
Magnus. So there are multiple MediaCast. So multiple people here.
So India is more consolidated in terms of your distribution network.
Yes, we have multiple distributors there also.
Yes.
So
So can you tell us a little bit, because it's networking, it is routing, would you like to share a little bit about the inbuilt security that are, in your
yeah,
switches and
so
routers?
security wise, it's like we don't sell the security devices. We don't sell the security solutions. This is more of connected.
Only the connectivity,
Yeah,
huh?
so connectivity, and beyond this is actually security. So it goes through that only.
Right, so that's
Yes.
a different layer security.
Yes, correct. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you don't do you don't enable or facilitate security at the switching level itself, huh?
Switching level, the basic security is already built in.
Yes.
That's already built in. Whatever is to be there, that's already built in. So
I
the
see.
encryption and all the stuff is already there.
Already, okay. Encrypted work and all. Yeah, okay. Traffic is encryption.
So you can't just like that easily hack.
Uh-huh. Okay, great. So, great speaking with you and knowing more about Netgear. So, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.